Welcome to our channel. If you want to apply for U.S. citizenship through naturalization without getting tripped up, follow these step-by-step instructions for a smooth process. Step 1. Ensure you meet the basic requirements, including being at least 18 years old, having been a permanent resident for at least 5 years, or 3 years, if married to a U.S. citizen, and demonstrating continuous residence and physical presence in the U.S. Step 2. Verify that you meet good moral character requirements. Certain criminal convictions, failure to pay taxes, or lying on immigration applications can disqualify you. Step 3. Review the civics and English language requirements. You must be able to read, write, and speak basic English and have knowledge of U.S. history and government, with some exceptions for age and disability. Step 4. Complete Form N. 400, Application for Naturalization, available on the USCIS website. Fill it out carefully and accurately, as mistakes can cause delays or denials. Step 5. Gather supporting documents including a copy of your green card, passport photos, evidence of marital status, tax returns, and any documents related to criminal history, if applicable. Step 6. Submit your application package with the correct fee to USCIS. You can apply online through your USCIS account or mail a paper application. Step 7. Attend your biometrics appointment to provide fingerprints, photo, and signature. You'll receive a notice with the time and location. Step 8. Prepare for and attend your naturalization interview and civics test. Study using official USCIS materials. Arrive early with requested documents, and answer all questions honestly and completely. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.